Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create animation character in Canva apps on PC. So you can open the Canva PC and log into your account, and after done you are just going to select apps, application, and you can select apps. So here you can select design as SEO, and you can select character builder, or you can just type character and appears character builder. So just select it and use in a new design, and you can custom your size, create a new design. Alright, and it's loading, and just wait. So here appears appears you can select apps or just select character builder, and then you can select for the head, face, body, and then etc. Yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.